Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are
making snowflakes.
Yeah, we're making these fun little crafts we thought last minute. Yeah. Before we get into today's video, I have a message from our sponsor. This video is sponsored by icystar. icystar is a website that sells really good quality shoes. I recently bought gray Nike Air Jordans from them and they were so easy to handle. I got my tracking number. I saw where they were at all times. Here are all their socials. You can message them, DM them for any questions you may have. Before buying, icystar does send you a message and an update picture on what the shoe looks like so you know what you're getting. When you order, they will send you a tracking number and they will let you know when it's about to arrive. Before you buy, use the code PNB to get $15 off your next purchase. The link will be in my description to make it easier for you guys. All right, back to the video. Thank you. Okay, so we can kind of teach you as we go. Yeah. So you kind of want a square, which we had to cut it down to be more of a square. I kind of just guesstimated. So you want to be a square. You want to fold it in half, so it's more of a triangle. And then you want to take this fold this in half again. So now it's an even smaller triangle, and then we're gonna fold it again. And just not to be perfect.
So how do you do it? I already folded it like this.
And then we take this, and you can cut like any design. This is my first try ever trying this, so.
Yeah, you totally did not do it at school.
I didn't.
Yeah, you didn't.
I just Googled this.
Yeah. Yeah, we Googled it. We also we totally did not use ChatGPT to find out this idea.
I didn't.
Yeah, totally.
And I didn't.
But you did.
But you didn't. Okay, so I just made like this ugly looking thing.
Okay.
Oh wait. And then I think we have to like do it here too. I don't even know. I didn't even like read the instructions, so I'm just gonna go for it. I'm like scared. I just like cut whatever.
Do you even remember what it said?
I like how I'm giving you instructions, but I never did this.
Yeah.
Wait, that's kind of good.
That's good.
Oh wait, look at this bottom.
Can I see the bottom?
It kind of ripped. But like, look, that's kind of cool. I could cut out a little bit more. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna go ahead and make some more. We're gonna do a time lapse. So that was kind of flat. Okay. No, you want to hold it again.
Again, okay.
Hold it again, and again, and again. Oh, this triangle doesn't make a triangle.
And we do it again. Okay, fine.
No, one more. I can help you because it's tough. It kind of gets thick. So like this is what it should look like. You're gonna use this. Good try. This looks so good. Okay, so it's gonna be kind of hard. So you're gonna have to put at the back of this. And just like, these are dull. I'll let you use these. So get these towards the back and just cut. Okay. I'll use these. Any design will work. Oh, come closer so you're so there you go. And you want all angles. More cuts. I think you're right. You're going to put it towards the back so you can get a cut. Okay, so I just got done making random cuts on the second one. See how it looks. Whoa! Look at this. This is so much more cool. Wait, I can own it. This is what mine. I'm gonna. Oh, so cool. And then we can like have something sentiment to flatten it out. And then I thought it would be. I think cranes will actually work better. So I just got Sharpies so we like have like stripes. Can you help? Good for you. Can you work above the table? Hold that. Oh, good. Good job.
So you also have to do it 3 times.
I did mine all the way down. But you're gonna did not mean to go all the way through it. That was the shoe. Oh my god. I accidentally cut the whole thing off. Now it looks like a boot. Oh my god. Let's see how my boot looking. See if it looks like. Why don't you have it? Oh, wait. That's just. Aw. These are like. What?
But where?
We did a few off camera. I think this is my best one. I like how it's turned out.
Yeah, so where's the one that you messed up for me?
Here's this one. This one I messed up.
For me, I made that and then he messed it up.
And then I have a small one. This is my first small one. And then I just was bored and I just like cut it 1,000 times. We've been kind of chilling off camera. This is his. He made all on his own. It looks so good, man. Good job.
It kind of looks like a Christmas tree star in the middle.
It honestly does. This is where I'm gonna end today's video. I just thought this was a fun idea for me and my brother to do. Now I have a big mess to clean up, but that's okay. If you guys like today's video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe and comment your favorite craft to make. Make sure you check out that link in my description and it'll help me. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.